Good afternoon, students. I will teach today few sums from integration. Okay, indefinite integral. Already I have discussed in previous class. Okay, and all of you know. I think all of you know the formula. Yes, integration sin x dx minus cos x plus c, integration tan x dx log sec x plus c, integration sec x tan x dx equal to sec x plus c. Okay, integration sec square x dx tan x plus c, integration x to the power n dx n plus 1 x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here n not equal to minus 1, and integration 1 by x dx log x, integration 1 by x dx log x. Okay, e to the power x dx e to the power x plus c, e to the power ax dx e to the power ax by a plus c. Okay, all of you remember the formula, and also multiple and sum multiple, various type of formulas are there. All of you remember, otherwise you can't proceed. Suppose I am showing one sum. Look at here. Suppose I am showing integration sin square x dx. See, number one sum. Integration sin square x dx. Okay, you know integration sin x dx, but sin square x dx you don't know. But you have to remember the formula. Okay, see, so I am doing here half integration to sin square x dx. So all of you know this one, 1 minus cos 2x dx, no? Yes. Now half integration 1 dx and integration cos 2x dx. So 1 dx is x minus, this will be sin 2x by 2 plus c, where c is, okay, arbitrary constant is there, constant of integration. Okay, yes. Now I am showing here, all of you understood? Yes. Suppose number 2 I am doing, see, suppose integration, see, sin here x to the power 0 dx, this is x degree given. First you convert it into radian form. So you can write this one, integration sin pi x by 180 of x dx. So it will be minus cos pi by 180 x by pi by 180 plus c. So it will be here minus 180 by pi cos x plus c. Okay, don't write here cos x degree is given, sin x degree. Don't write minus sin minus cos x degree. See, 180 by pi radian, you have to convert into radian. Okay, suppose I am doing here another sum. See, number 3 ID. Suppose integration dx by, see, sin square x plus into cos square x dx. Integration dx by sin square x into cos square x. So you can write here integration sin square x plus cos square x by sin square x into cos square x dx. No? So integration sin square x with this part, so 1 by cos square x dx plus here dx by cos cancel cos square sin square x dx. So write 1 by cos square, all of you will sec square x dx plus integration, this will be cos square x dx. Okay, cos square x dx. So right will be tan x plus here minus cot x plus c. Right. This sum we can do another process also. See, this sum I am doing another process. So integration, right, both are multiplied 4 dx, right? Here 4 sin square x cos square x dx. So 4 dx by, so you can write this is sin square 2x, no? 2 sin x cos x, sin 2x, the square is there. Then it will be 4 sin square cos square x, or sin square 2x. Now 4 outside take, integration cos x square 2x dx So write minus 4 cot 2x by 2 plus c. Take 2 common here, cancel, minus 2 cot 2x plus c. This also answer. If you simplify, you will get this one. Okay, anyone, either this method or this method, everybody will full marks. Okay. Now next one. Okay. Now see. Now right, integration dx by 1 minus suppose sin x you will do. So both sides, both numerator and denominator multiplied by 1 plus sin x. See, 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x. You can write whatever sign is there, minus, both sides multiplied by plus, both sides, both numerator and denominator you have to multiply by plus sign. So write integration 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin square x dx. So write integration 1 plus sin x by cos square x dx. Okay. So write 1 by cos square, all of you know sec square x dx, and sin by cos square, that is sin by cos into 1 by cos. Okay, sin by cos into 1 by cos. So sin by cos will be tan x, 1 by cos sec x, tan x sec x. Okay, so write tan x into sec x dx. So write this will be tan x plus sec x plus constant c. Similar sum you have to try at home. Number 5, suppose integration dx by 1 plus sin x also. Similar type of sum. Even number 6, suppose integration dx by 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x, you know the formula. So write integration dx by, you can write 2 sin square x, sin square x by 2, 1 minus cos x, 2 sin square x by 2. Take will be cosec square x by 2 dx. So it will be minus half cot x by 2 by half plus c. Half of cancel. So answer is minus cot x by 2 plus c. Minus cot x by 2 plus c. Okay? Right. Next one. Suppose 6 and 7. So integration, okay, cos square x minus sin square x by root 1 plus cos 4x dx. Okay. So now write this will know cos 2x now. This will be like 2 cos square 2x dx. Take 1 by root outside. So cos 2x by cos 2x dx. 2 to cancel is cancel, 1 by root 2 integration dx. So 1 by root 2 x plus c. Now write question 8, yeah. So right here Suppose sin 3x cos 2x dx. So this sum, don't do integration sin 3x and cos integration cos 2x dx. It is wrong. Just all of you know the formula, sums and product of trigonometric function. Can you say 2 sin x, that is 2 sin a cos b, 2 cos a sin b, 2 cos a cos b, this formula. Already you have learned in class 11, sum multiple angle, compound angle, this type of formula. So look at here, you take half common, 2 sin 3x cos 2x dx. So write half 2 sin a cos b, sin a plus b, sin 5x plus sin a minus b, x dx. Okay, now half. Here sin 5x will be minus cos 5x by 5 minus cos x plus c. This is that. Okay, minus cos 5x by 5 minus cos x plus c. This is the answer. Okay. Again, suppose write integration cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha by cos x minus cos alpha. So cos alpha is constant here. Alpha is constant. So cos 2x you have to write 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos square alpha minus 1 by cos x minus cos alpha dx. So write, take 2 common here. 1 plus 1 minus cancel. 2 common. So then cos square x minus cos square alpha by cos x minus cos alpha dx. So write here 2 a square minus b square formula, a plus b minus b, right? So here cos x plus cos alpha into cos x minus cos alpha by cos x minus cos alpha dx. This is cancelled. So write 2 integration cos x dx plus 2, here cos alpha constant, take outside. So write cos alpha integration dx. So write 2 sin x plus 2x cos alpha plus constant c. Don't do cos alpha sin alpha because cos alpha is constant. Dx, when dx is there, integrate the function with respect to x, keep in mind. Understood? Now this is 8 to 9, no? Yes, 9, right. Now 10 I am doing. Integration. Suppose e to the power 3x plus e to the power x by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x dx. How to solve? So look at here. Here you take e to the 3x e to the power x. In numerator you take common e to the power 2x common. Then e to the power x plus e to the power minus you can write no by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x dx. Now this is cancelled. So e to the power 2x dx. So write e to the power 2x by 2 plus c. This is the answer. It is 2x by 2 plus c. Okay? Okay. Next. Another sum. Suppose number 11 writing. Integral about x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 dx. Then you know the factorization, x to the power plus x square plus 1. So you can write this one, x square plus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 dx. So this is cancelled. So write x square minus x plus 1 dx. So write x cube by 3 minus x square by 2 plus x plus 3. This is the answer. Number 12. Suppose integration sin cube x dx. So write 1 by 4 sin cube x dx. No. All in the formula sin cube x. See, we know sin 3x equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube. So here 4 sin cube you can write here 3 sin x. See 1 by 4 we can write 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Okay? Dx. So write 1 by 4 3 sin x. So integration 3 outside take sin x dx will be minus cos x. So minus 3 cos x. Here plus minus sign is there. So cos 3x by 3 plus 3. This is the answer. Okay? Similar way, suppose you have to do now 13. Suppose integration, suppose sin to the power 4x dx, sin to the 4x dx. So this you can write here, integration, so look at here, 1 by 4 into 2 sin square x whole square you can write now, 1 by 4 to sin square x dx whole square. So 1 by 4, so this can be 1 minus cos 2x whole square, right? So write 1 by 4 integration 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus cos square 2x dx. So write 1 by 4. So this will be x minus 2 sin 2x by 2, and here write plus integration cos square 2x dx. Okay, cos square 2x dx. Cos square is given, then multiplying with formula applied. Now just you have multiplied. See, 1 by 4x, these two cancel. So minus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus 1 by 4 into integration cos square 2x. So write again 2 multiplied, 2 cos square 2x you can write, no? 1 by 4 into 2, then 2 cos square 2x you can write. Similarly, so 1 by 4x minus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus 1 by 8, 2 cos square 2x integration 1 minus cos 4x dx. Okay, cos 4x dx. Sorry, no. Cos square is there, plus. So write 1 plus, yes, 1 plus cos 4x dx. So write 1 by 4x minus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus 1 by 8. So this is x plus sin 4x by 4 plus 3. This is the answer. This is the answer. You can add x by 4, x by, no need. You can do, you will get time, you can do, otherwise no need. Because up to this you will get full marks. Up to this you will get full marks. Okay? Similarly, so you have to do 49D integration cos to the power 4x dx. You have to do at home, this is homework. Integration cos to the 4x dx. Okay? Now, suppose integration root 1 plus sin x dx. root 1 plus sin x dx. So you can write this part also. Root 1 can be cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. Sin s can be 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 dx. 1, all of you know cos square x by 2 sin square x by 2 1. Sin x is there, so it can be 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay, so right, integration this will be cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square dx. So you can write here integration cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 dx. Okay, so here minus then and this will be cos x by 2. So sin x by 2 by half minus cos x by 2 by half plus c. Half can be take 2. So right here take minus 2 common here. Okay, the sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Note it down. Okay, now integration right cos 3x plus okay cos 3x plus suppose cos 5x by 1 minus 2 cos x 2 cos 2x dx suppose cos 3x plus cos 5x by 1 minus 2 cos 2x dx. 1 cos which cos okay, so cos 2x there, both are multiplied by sin 2x. Yeah, keep in mind, very important sums are there. This type of sum will be like that. Okay, so sin 2x multiplied both the sides. Here is cos 3x plus cos 5x by sin 2x. This will be sin 4x, no? 2 sin x cos sin 4x. So sin 2x you can write 2 sin x cos x and cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2. Okay, 8x means 4x cos only x by sin c minus sin 2 cos c plus d by 2 3x sin x. Okay, sin x. Understood? D minus d by 2 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 minus sign is there dx. These two cancel, one sin is cancelled. Okay, understood? A few mistakes are there, question may be wrong. So right, minus okay 2. See here cos 3x, so will be cancelled most probably. Anything is there 6x 6 2. But the sum is wrong. Okay, minus cos 6 cos 4x into cos x by cos 3x dx. Okay, so cos square x cos also it will be cancelled. The mistakes are there. Okay, next I will discuss this one. This sum may be wrong is there. Okay, and it will be cancelled whatever is left. Okay, on 2 is left, these 2 then again 2 cos A cos B apply, you will get the result. Understood? So few mistakes are there, I will discuss. Wait 1 minute. Wait 1 minute, let me see. Okay, here the sum is given. Wait 1 minute. The mistakes are there. I am showing the sum. Then you get the result. Wait. The sum is that, right? Cos 5x integration cos 5x plus cos 4x by cos 5x plus cos 4x by 1 minus 2 cos 3x. This is given. Okay, 2 cos 3x. So right here, cos 3x is there. So both sides multiplied by sin 3x. So right, integration sin 3x cos 5x plus cos 4x dx by sin 3x minus 2 sin 3x cos 3x, that is sin 6x. Okay, now sin 3x you can write 2 sin 3x by 2 cos 3x by 2 cos C plus cos D, 2 cos 9x by 2 cos x by 2. Again sin C minus sin D, 2 cos 9x by 2 sin this minus the minus 3x by 2. So sin minus all of the minus will be minus sin dx. Okay, now sin this cancel, cos 9 is cancelling here, 1 2 is cancel. So remaining part minus 2 integration cos 3x by 2 cos x by 2 dx. Okay, so minus 2 cos A cos B formula applied, cos A plus B cos 3x plus x by 2 2x plus cos A minus B only cos x dx. So right, minus sin 2x by 2 plus here sin x plus this is the answer. Okay, at the next class I will do method of substitution, integration, method of how to substitute method, solve or discuss next class. Okay, whatever discussed today you have to practice, and in book you have to see many Shobhendranath Dey or M.L. Agarwal or Shahan Shaha or R.D. Sharma, R.S. Agarwal, many books are there. You have to be at home. Okay, if you are facing any problem, you have to inform me. Okay, no more today. Bye.